হাই স্টুডেন্টস, আমি নিয়ে চলে এসেছি ক্লাস 11-এর মডেল অ্যাক্টিভিটি টাস্কের ইংলিশের পার্ট 1। তো চলো দেখে নেওয়া যাক। ফার্স্টেই আছে প্রোজের 1 নাম্বার কোয়েশ্চেন হচ্ছে, ইন এনি কেস উই কুড নট হ্যাভ কেপ্ট আ ক্রিমিনাল লাইক হিম ইন দি হাউস। হু ইজ দি স্পিকার? হুম ডাজ ক্রিমিনাল রেফার টু? হোয়াট মেসেজ ইজ কনভেড বাই দিস সেন্টেন্স ইন দি স্টোরি? The speaker is Mr. Shiv Shankar. Here the criminal is referred to Siddha. These words of Shiv Shankar exposed the class division of the society and the utter indifference of the poor people. Though it was proved that Siddha did not steal Leela's gold chain, Mr. Shiv Shankar did not repent Siddha police custody, and whatever information the inspector provided him about Siddha's past became the basis of the understanding of Mr. Shiv Shankar. So Mr. Shiv Shankar uttered in a straight way the above line. The poor thus are not given any chance to line properly and honorably by the rich. Second question হচ্ছে পোয়েমের। In the poem Upon Westminster Bridge, how does Wordsworth describe the different sights seen in early morning? The poet sees the sight of a majestic morning in the city of London. The city looks splendid in the melted light of the golden sun, clear in the air, bare is the atmosphere. Ships and towers, domes and theatres lie open under the vasture vista of the sun-bathed earth is in the morning. The beauty of the garden city creates a sense of awe in the mind of the poet. Now the poet perceives profound silence all over the city. He hears the sweet murmur of the river below the bridge. He releases a sweet sensation in the all-pervading calm that surrounds the sleeping houses. In fact, the city, with its majestic beauty and calm, gives the poet infinite joy and soothes his soul. তারপরে আছে র্যাপিড রিডারে 3 নম্বর কোয়েশ্চেন হচ্ছে, রাইট দি সিগনিফিক্যান্স অফ দি টাইটেল ইন দি কমেডি অফ এরার্স। দি কমেডি অফ এরার্স is a farce by William Shakespeare. It is about mistaken identity and disordered perceptions, which are made right by the end of the play, leading all of the characters to end up in a happy and peaceful life. The play is driven by puns and buffoonery and improbably situations. 4 number question হচ্ছে, why was the adversity of the forest of Arden preferred to the courtier's life? The atmosphere of As You Like It is rural and pastoral. Early in the play, we find that the atmosphere of the court and the city is visited by jealousies, rivalries, and antagonisms. But the atmosphere of the Forest of Arden is entirely different. In the forest, Duke Senior realizes that the uses of adversity are sweet. He finds the life of the forest to be more acceptable than the life of the court.